Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your UMIDIGI F1, at the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both devices, and we are going to get application to transfer data. So let's type send anywhere. We are going to use this application, so type it on the both devices and let's install. Right now we can open on this left Android phone. Click right here, then tap to confirm, click continue, click allow. And as you can see, what we can send photos, video, audio, apps, contacts, other files. So you can click here, and there's almost everything that we have sent, right? So let's open also on our UMIDIGI F1 this application, and we have to follow the same steps. We have to accept all this stuff. So click. And right now we have to go for the receive on our UMIDIGI F1, and I think that I'm going to send only contacts. It's only example, so you have to enter for one of this thing and then just accept wherever you want to send, like that. And we can also try to send maybe flashlight application. So if you select everything, you have to basically click on the send button, then click OK, and as you can see we have to watch ad, so click. Okay, right now it's working. After a few seconds we are able to turn off this ad, and we'll be able to input key right here, so just wait a few seconds. Okay, let's click on the X, and this key we have to input here, so let's go 383496. Click receive. I mean 49306. Click, and then just wait. Here we have to also watch the ad. Tap X in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the transfer is on the way. And as you can see, the transfer is complete. So as you can see, it's very easy. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!